In a world that's racing forward, where skills define success and knowledge is the currency of the future, Compete High emerges as your beacon of empowerment. We are not just an online platform. We are the architects of your potential, the curators of your growth. With over 800 courses across 30 dynamic fields, we offer the keys to unlock your aspirations. From business to technology, from creativity to personal development, your journey to mastery begins here. Every course is a new horizon. With Compete High, you gain more than knowledge. You earn recognition, with accredited certificates that shine brightly on your resume and in your life. Flexibility is at your fingertips. Learn at your pace, define your schedule, and transform your life from anywhere in the world. Join the community of go-getters, visionaries, and dreamers. Join Compete High. Compete High, preparing you for the competitive world. Enroll today and shape the future you deserve.